Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so we've been in this zone, or this range, or whatever you want to call it, roughly between the 200-day exponential moving average and the 100-day exponential moving average. It had held the 200-day. Bears had pushed it down for a couple of days. They were testing the lows from Tuesday at 41.25. They went as low as 42.75, and then you had some comments from Powell in the afternoon coupled with the beige book, and that really sent things flying to the upside. Basically 140 something handles to the upside. They put in 40.93 half from 42, so basically 150 handles to the up. Which potentially broke us out of this trading zone. Took out this high. The Globex high is currently 40.96. You have to deal with the high from September the 13th at 41.75. That's a ways to go. And then back on August 26th, 42.1725. Not saying we're headed there. I'm saying those are your next two little signposts on the upside if they do want to go somewhere. So we walked through yesterday the downside and the upside and what each side had to do to get out of the zone. So as we look at the hourly chart, you got a new monthly pivot, 39.6358. The bears did not do what they needed to do, which was get down there into the 20 and the 100, convert and stay below. Instead, bulls take it up. They take out the 9, they take out the weekly pivot, and they take out the 200-day, all in one shot. So now the question becomes, can they hold it? Can they hold it? Does this tape have a bid? You have a ton of economic news today. You have jobs tomorrow. So there are certainly catalysts that can work in either direction that are going to play into that. But the bottom line is we're no longer in that zone. We have potentially broken out of the zone. Now we see, where do we really go from here? As far as levels go, volume weighted average price, 40.84. Proprietary moving average is 79 and change. 5-minute mids, 40.82. You got the hourly mid down at 40.73. Job one for the bears is you got to get back below at least the hourly mid band. Try to close below there. It's a long way to go down, and you're going to need news to get there. But like I said, you have opportunities in the next couple days to have news that will get you there. Jobs tomorrow morning should be very interesting. If you're the bulls, all you need is a couple more sparks, and you're going to see moves up into the 4100s. And then it really just depends. Like I said yesterday, is everybody going to start hearing jingle bells? Are we going to hear footsteps on the roof? Because if it is, then it's a great big performance-chasing walk-up into December. I don't think we're there yet. I don't think either side, one ripper isn't going to get you there. It does underscore a couple of things that I've tried to teach on this webcast over the last 10 years about bear market rallies. There will always be rippers. There will be massive face ripper rallies. And you have two choices when it comes to those rallies. You can be long, you can get out of the way. That's it. You can't be short. You cannot fight things for 150 handles. And I guarantee you, a lot of this froth, a lot of this move, a lot of this whatever, it's a lot of short covering and a lot of fighting it. And they'll continue to fight it if it continues to bleed to the upside. Don't get me wrong. So we were short right off that 130 number, and we got stopped out for like a handle and a half, and we immediately changed, direction, and then we laddered up in the we did 68, we did 94 quarter, and then we did 37 because the thing just wouldn't come back. So the 37 long we got stopped out of overnight. But my only point is, we were short 32 half. We were wrong on one of the, because somewhere up in here, you can't see it. This is an hourly chart. They started to bring it in a little bit. after they took out weekly pivot. So we tried that, didn't work. And then we got long 37, and we went and did another 40 handles to the upside. I mean, we didn't top ticket, we weren't trying to. The only point I'm trying to make here is you can try shorts during face ripper rallies, but as soon as they stop working, you need to get back on the train that is going down the tracks. Stop jumping in front of it and get on the train. Or just hang out at the station, read a book, do anything but jump in front of the train. Either get on the train, sit on the platform, stop diving in front of it. That's not going to work out well for you. And if they keep fighting this and we keep bleeding to the upside, there's going to be more opportunity in the next day or so, unless you get news to the contrary, to dive in front of the train and tear yourself up. Don't do that. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow.